Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to do timing and jitter analysis when you don't have an oscilloscope handy. We'll do that using TekScope waveform analysis software, which gives you the same user interface and analysis capabilities that you would find on the 4, 5, and 6 Series MSO. All right, so I've got the app open, and I'm going to load my waveform, so I'll tap on File and Recall. If I look into this menu, I can recall actually a variety of different waveforms captured from a Tektronix oscilloscope, other manufacturers' oscilloscopes, some simulation files. But what I'm actually going to do for this video is recall a session that I saved on my 6 Series MSO. So let's load that up. All right, and so here we go. This is a 2.5 gigabit 8B 10B signal that I captured on, as I mentioned, the 6 Series MSO. So let's just get into some analysis. So, and you'll notice I'm using the same touch gestures because I have a touchscreen PC. So I'm going to drag a measurement over to channel 1 and just confirm that the data rate is what I'm expecting. So let's add that measurement. Close that menu out. So 2.5 gigabits per second. All right, fantastic. Now doing some basic jitter measurements is pretty easy. So I will click on measure again, and this time I'll go into the jitter tab and just do a jitter summary. So we'll add that. And what the jitter summary will do is give me some of the most common measurements and graphs. So let's close that out. So you can see in the top right corner up here, I have an eye diagram. I have my time interval error histogram and spectrum, and over on the left I have a bathtub plot. Looking on the right side of the screen here, I have my jitter summary, which gives me some key measurements, random jitter, deterministic jitter, so good detail there. The other thing I can do is I'm actually going to close out some of these displays just to make this a little bit cleaner, is I can add a results table and do measurements. We'll add that, and let's see if I can move this over to a more interesting spot. So here's the summary of the measurements I've taken. Measurement 1, my data rate, and measurement 2, a summary with statistics, mean, min, max, standard deviation, for all these different measurements that I've taken. So as you can see, I can do a lot of very cool analysis without access to an oscilloscope, as long as I have that waveform handy. You can also remotely control multiple oscilloscopes with this software. So for instance, I can get more than 8 channels out of an MSO, a 5 Series MSO, but I will save that for another video. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.